Hello everyone! I hope you are doing good and welcome to our channel. A lot of people do the businesses in the world on regular basis. If you are also a business owner or work for a business, you should start earning both ways. As you earn physically in the market, you can also earn by making your online presence. As you run a shop or something physical for your business, you can make online too and start earning. So, in this video, I am going to show you how to build your own website for your business free of cost. So let's start the process. You can make your website by proper coding or using the great platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix etc. In this video, I am gonna guide you about making the business website on Xero. First of all, you have to know that what is a domain and what is a subdomain. A domain name is like your business.com. And the subdomain is like your business.xero.com. We'll learn about creating a subdomain using this great platform. You can start earning online by creating this subdomain. But when you feel that your business is growing up, you should also purchase your custom domain. So, follow me. Open this website, Xero.com. Click on Start for free. Enter your email address. Then enter your password to secure your account. Choose a template and click on Start Building. Now, here's the easiest website editor on your screen. You can easily add images, locations, business hours, phone number, and much more. As you can see, simply if I click on this title, I can remove the previous one and change it easily in some seconds. I can easily edit this button by clicking on it. So, these are some examples. You can see here's the best menu to edit your website on the left side. One more and important thing is how to show your business website on Google and other search engines. So simple, click on Analytics from the left side. Here you can add your SEO title, meta description, and keywords, so that search engines show your website to the people with relevant search results. You can also hide your pages from search engines by clicking on this button. If you want to shift your website from zero to WordPress, you can easily click here on Export to WordPress, and you can do this easily. So I'm sure after watching this video you can easily build a free website for your business, or a personal one. So, this is the shortest method to build a free website for your business. Stay tuned with us for further videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll learn about the brand awareness. Give us your feedbacks in the comments section below. Subscribe to this channel, also press the bell icon for future updates. Thanks.